Okay, guys. Clay's got feed. And
any feed, chick feed.
Chick feed?
Yep.
For the baby chicks?
Yep.
So they've got
I've got another bag in the garage. But this is crumble, smaller pieces. The one I've got from Tractor Supply is like nuggets. They're a little big for these chicks to. The bigger chicks can eat it, but the little chicks won't.
Yeah, so don't buy that for your baby chicks. Wait till they get bigger.
Always buy the crumble.
You look concerned. Everybody okay?
Yeah, I was just looking to see if everybody had food. They do.
Oh, yeah.
I try to give them a little extra. A little food. Oh, excuse me. I let them clean it up before I give them more. That way they won't waste it.
We usually do some of the chores before now, but we took a nap. And it is rainy. Look at
I had
these.
to do this between raindrops.
Yeah. So we had to wait for the rain. And they have food from yesterday still down. I checked them earlier anyway, but before everybody goes to bed for the night, in case we need to top anything off. Come on, man. Excuse me, guys. I know we've got lots of messes to clean up, but he knows the cats, stray cats all love to run over there in the hedge. And there's like a restaurant over there they like to dine at. So the dog knows that's where the stray cats come from. They hide in all these woods over there. Do you need my help?
No, as long as I don't lose my balance, I'll be
Well,
fine.
if you need my help, I can stop and just do what we gotta do.
No, all right.
I have been helping him with the feed, so I don't like him overdoing. He has come a long way, haven't you, doll?
Yeah, I still got a lot farther to go. All right, now. Open this up.
So he's got to open the bag.
I like these easy open bags. Just pull the strip and come right off.
And he takes those strips and winds them up so the chickens don't get caught in the string. Not that they would, but he makes
Well, they do. I've seen them happen before.
so he always makes sure that the string and everything is in the trash and way out of line. Okay, that's for the baby chicks.
Yep. I gotta get down
Let's see the crumbles.
without breaking. Yeah, this is just, it's like a fine ground up mash.
So if you don't have animals or chickens, that's what the feed looks like. He's wearing the yellow shirt today that the company issued. These beautiful bright yellow shirts to all the guys at his job.
Oh, they get so dirty.
And
so
they get
quick.
dirty quick. But they have other colors too, but
I
safety.
usually wear the black.
He usually wears the black, but
Hello, baby.
let's go take a look at them. Sometimes at 3 in the morning, we're just grabbing
There you go.
when he goes to
I'll
work.
get out of the way and then you can.
Okay, I got the dog too. It's got
I just need the
we're
basket.
exchanging the.
You get your
I know.
thing caught in the.
Yeah.
All right. Better get right up to the door because they don't fly out.
Here we go, guys. Baby chicks. Clay did a video of these guys yesterday. If you want even more exciting chick videos, Seabrights and Brahmas are here. Let's see, the ones with the legs that are feathered down, I don't know if you can tell that, meaning they've got feathers down to the feet, are Brahma chicks. And these golden looking guys there, those are the Seabrights. They're black with golden. These are the Brahmas. Yeah, huddled in a corner. Baby chicks come in all different colors. They're not all yellow like peeps. They can be all different. And these baby chicks of chickens are light Brahmas, dark Brahmas, and on we go, the big ones and the Seabrights. So let's see. Can you say hi? Well, he's saying hi. They're very curious. Oh, see their wings? And they're gonna eat that crumbles right up. And in the very front of them, they have a little pouch like, it's to exercise his wings, that when they eat, you can see that it gets full. It's like right in the very front of them, right about there, and it gets all fat. And we check that sometimes when they're real little to make sure that they're eating so they don't die. Because if you don't feed them the right food and it's too big, remember we were talking about the food that we got at the Tractor Supply that was way too big? You can think, oh, my chicken's fine, and feed them that, and if you didn't check their little crop, they might not be eating it. So you just have to make sure when you first get baby chicks, if you're new to the chicks, check out what our crop is. You might have to look it up on the internet. But these guys are enjoying their food. Now they're relaxing. They'll get used to my voice and who I am, and after a while they won't care. But they're new, they're learning. They got to get tamed off a little bit, which they're pretty good. Actually, the Brahmas are really good. I went and picked one up right away, and they didn't care. And the Seabright, I picked up one of them too, and they seemed okay. I hear these Brahmas, I haven't had them before. I think Clay may have. But, because Clay's been raising chickens since he's been 13. And he's been around farming his whole life, so. But these guys here lay more eggs in the winter. It almost sounds like than in the summer. It sounds like their peak laying season starts in October. And up here in New York, that's important. And they say they'll sit right out in the snow and everything. So I'll find out a little bit about that this year. And see this light? That's like a red light. It's keeping them warm so they don't get too cold. Because they're still babies and they have to stay warm. See them? And we have them all protected. They've got this to keep them warm. And a nice door. We've got chick stuff on it too. And then we have a lock too, so that nobody comes and steals chickens. Because where we live, we've had people steal chickens. But not only will they steal chickens, but remember I told you the stray cats? If you didn't have everything done, they could get them. And believe it or not, maybe even a raccoon could try to come in there. But we've got things pretty secure to make sure things are safe. We have him, the dog. He'll bark for security. We have some security cameras. And we have guinea fowl, which is a pretty one I'll show you. Because they're in there. There he is, over there. They look like a wild animal. See another one. See that weird looking bird way over there by that gray piece of rock? That's a guinea hen. Yes, I did.
I'm used to scoop this.
Yes, it is starting to rain. We've got this electric wire that we're just moving the electric around. That's to help keep the chicks warm. Because our electric got a little crazy last year with some of the work that we did. So they went turning the lights and had to fixing up the electric, I guess I should say. Because it wasn't working. So
Alright,
I don't know if we're going to call the electrician and again, or how we're going to fix that. But, so, I have to talk to Clay. I think the electrician fixed it. I think we just got to move the wire. This thing here. So. Okay. Turkeys have been laying eggs, so we don't know if they're fertile yet. They lay, you know, a lot of animals will only start laying eggs this time of the year, which is mating season. If you saw my kittens in the other room, they also, some people call it kitten season, but Clay told me kittens can have babies all year long. Because I thought, well, maybe they can only have kittens in kitten season. He goes, that's not true. But I figured out why I think they call it kitten season. I think all the people that keep their cats indoors let them out in the winter or the summer, and there's more kittens made. But kittens can have kittens, it seems like any time of the year. So, because I was curious about that, what kitten season was.
Kitten season's year round.
No, I figured out what kitten season is. Even though they say it's there's a lot more kittens because all the people inside let their cats out, so they can make more kittens.
Well,
but Clay knows because he said.
You don't want to feed them, don't breed them.
Right, exactly. That's what Clay says. You're not going to take care of your animals, don't have babies. Did we have a turkey egg today?
No, no turkey egg.
Wow, we've been having turkey eggs every day.
No pheasant egg, no turkey egg. Well, it's damp. They don't always. You didn't hook the hook line.
No, I was waiting to have you check all that.
Fine. All right, let's take the rust cart to the garage and put everything away before it gets running too heavy.
Now I saw the bees were all out today too.
Yep. We get one good sunny day where I can get into the hive.
So just so you know,
You don't get into the hives when it's wet and rainy.
no, bees are grumpy on rainy days.
Really grumpy.
So if you really like to get stung, that's a great day to work on your bees.
You gotta do it on a sunny day where they're all off collecting nectar.
Hey, sweets.
Yeah,
Let's talk. What are these?
These are
I know what they
Rosa
are.
plums.
See?
They're getting ready to blossom.
So we'll have some flowers in probably when you're on vacation again for the millionth time. He's getting ready to retire, guys.
I got 2 weeks vacation plus 2 personal days I've got to burn up.
See, and I can see Clay's walking a little bit better if you've been watching his healing.
I've been on my feet all day, so it isn't that much better.
Yeah.
Today isn't much better.
Oops. Branch, what are you doing? Now you got yourself all twisted up there. I had your thing fixed. Now what's going on? Don't you hate it when your dog does this and then I drop the eggs? Oh no! I dropped